back to another video. And in today's video, me and my brother will be taking turns on Subway Surfers. So I will be going first, and then my brother will be going. So I'll get back to you guys when we are in. Alright, so we're going to pick our character, what we're going to use today. So what character do you want to use? Boombot, okay. We'll use Boombot. Actually, we'll use Original Jake. And then we'll use, should we use Daredevil? Okay. Alright, so I will be going first. We're not going to do long rounds. We're just going to, we're not using any score boosters or anything. So, how's everybody holding up in quarantine? Honestly, mine's pretty good. All I've been doing is grinding on Subway Surfers, playing a little bit of video games on my Xbox, going outside, jumping on my Trent, but I did chores today, so I got some coins on Subway Surfers. As you could tell, I had around 137,000 coins, I think that's what it was.
That guy has a high score.
Yeah, I have to beat him. But I'm gonna beat my high score later this next month, I think. Next month. I'm so glad I got this board. It like makes you go so fast and your scores go up so high. I actually did not mean to do that. Alright, so my brother's turn is going up now. We're not using keys or anything. So, here he goes. You can use hoverboards.
What?
You can use hoverboards whenever.
I'm not really good at this game.
It's fine. So, I am honestly almost out of video ideas, so I don't even know what to do, so let me know what you want to see. Subway Surfers right now is kind of my favorite game, so. Yeah, I was bored, so I just decided to make a video. Also, go to my TikTok and go, if you have TikTok, go follow my brother and me. My is at GarenLog90, and my brother's is KasenLog90. I have around 71 followers. My brother needs more followers. He only has about 9. So go show him some love and go follow him.
I have 9 followers. That's actually kind of trash.
I know, you went down 3 followers.
No, I went down to 10.
No, you didn't, because you had 11.
No, I had 17, and then everybody unfollowed me.
No, you did not have 17.
Yes, I did.
I thought you only had 11. It doesn't matter, Kason.
No, because apparently the people I followed, and then they unfollow me because apparently they're
dumb.
Why did I do that? I still got more coins than you.
I got a better score.
We're just gonna do 3 rounds.
Yeah, well no. Yeah, 3 rounds. Speed it up a little bit. Look how I jump off of that.
I bet you can't hit every coin.
Okay, bet.
You just missed.
No, I didn't.
You just missed.
No, I didn't. Boom, I got all of them.
No, you didn't.
Let me know in the comments if I missed one.
You missed 40.
Oh, shoot. I was not paying attention. Oh.
No, I'm not gonna use hoverboards. They're kind of just like.
But you should use this one. It's kind of dope. You know what I mean? All right. Ooh, got the bouncy swoosh.
Meet my
Boom.
Gucci
Oh, me my Gucci shoes. What?
You're a bot.
I didn't even walk
You're
over
a
there.
bot. You only got how much coin did you get? 300, Garen. You're a
Also I know how to glitch the game. Okay. Okay, hold up. I don't know how to glitch the game, but let me show you this one thing, and then let me just show you. So you see how down here, but it says free coins. See how it says 500? I'm gonna show you this. So if you die right away, it says that, but watch this. You can get 500 free coins. All you have to do is collect a few coins. Boom, die. You can collect 500. And you could just keep doing that and keep doing that and keep doing it. But here you go, my guy. He's a hoverboard. That's so nice.
Whoa, you go so fast.
Mm-hmm.
I bet I'll make every coin in this right here. Bang.
Bro, this hoverboard actually matches Jake.
I kind of want to get it. I want to make a YouTube video and a YouTube channel.
Did you already have one?
No, I delete. No.
You almost just died. Gotta go try hard mode.
What?
You gotta go try hard. You gotta go try
It's
hard.
only for Fortnite.
Bro, no, it's not. It's not. No, it's not.
And Apex.
No, it's not. Shut up. So yeah, you know what I mean? I'm joking. So yeah.
I bet I'll get 500 coins this round.
Okay, bet. Alright. You die right after you say that. Alright, here I go.
That was so funny.
It was though.
Really, 500 coins and then I die.
I'm not gonna use a hoverboard this round. I'm not gonna use a hoverboard.
I'm gonna try to make you laugh so you can lose.
Oh, okay, stop. Okay, hey, that's kind of wrong. Stop that. Stop it. They can hear it.
I don't care.
Well, I thought I almost just choked there. Alright, so we're gonna try to get 500 corns. Corns. But if one of these mystery things give me a hoverboard, that's fine. I'm not gonna... Jason. Daddy, chill. Alright, so...
Ow, I just bit my tongue.
You bit your tongue? Ha 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 ha. Oh, I almost just died there.
I mean, you did it this morning, so
No, I didn't. That was yesterday, kid.
Oh.
Remember when we were playing the Subway Surfer game?
Uh-huh.
Yay, it's a Duppy Wobby.
Bro, you're like a baby, honestly. Ooh. We'll die every 1,000 coins.
I'm gonna stay on a train for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3,
You just
4,
jumped off a train.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did it.
No, you jumped off. You jumped off.
No. Oh, fine. Okay.
You have to...
1, 2. Wait, no. I have to be able to jump off.
No.
I think
No.
that counted. That
No.
counted.
No.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You jump.
6,
You jump.
7,
You jump.
8, 9, 10.
That's not how you spell Brennan.
I don't care. So after this is my last round, and then I'm gonna end the video. It's fine. Oh shoot! No, I was so close to 500 coins. I'm gonna watch an ad and get 500, and I'll get back to you guys when we're done with the ad.
Doesn't he have a
Alright, guys, we're back. So we're gonna try to reach 500 coins, and then I'm exactly ending it. So let's do that right now. And I'm still not using a hoverboard. Come on, 500 coins. 500 coins. It's getting a little fast. Getting a little fast. Bang. Bang.
He got 500 coins.
Oh, I got 500 coins. Alright, well, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Ow. Bye.